Welcome back. During my cigarette break, I did look at again the ether wind theory. Yeah, it has to because Michelson-Morley experiment. The American physicist, right? Experimental physicist in Case Western University in Ohio, I think, something like that, right? Yeah. So they tried to measure the ether wind. From what I read, I just looked up in the Google, okay, and there are a lot of articles. I didn't click into those articles in the web. I just looked at what shows in the result list of web pages, okay, but that's good enough, okay, because I'm kind of familiar with that concept, okay. So they try to measure the ether wind when planet Earth, is rotating around the sun, okay, but where they erred is that Earth is moving in constant speed, rotating around the sun. Then the ether wind will not be measured. Why? We corrected their errors. Yeah, Michelson Morley, Mr. Michelson, Mr. Morley, they asked the right questions, okay, but they didn't quite answer it correctly. Okay, we are answering it correctly. Okay, so they are kind of our parent figures, just like Mr. Einstein. Okay, uh, because they asked the right questions and they didn't get it right. We are okay, so we're picking up where they left off. Okay, yeah, we're handed this baton in marathon, right? Yeah, that's what we're doing. So yeah, we made a breakthrough today. Okay, yeah, ether wind happens only when an object is accelerating, right? It doesn't have to be second order. It could be third, fourth order. Okay, velocity that's first order, right? In Newtonian mechanics, right? Acceleration second order in equation. Okay, like you know, in terms of time, right? Yeah, yeah. It could be third order, fourth order, whatever acceleration, higher order acceleration there may be. Okay, that's when an object feels ether wind. It does not the order of this equation should be at least two. Okay, maybe more than one, like 1.5. I don't know. Okay, so the details we'll leave it to the future generation to figure it out. Okay, we're just making tiny little next step from Mr. Einstein and Mr. Michelson, Mr. Morley. Okay, so yeah, ether cannot be measured. Ether wind does not happen when object is has constant velocity. Wind does. Air wind. Yeah, air wind happens when an object is moving through air. The air molecules like oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, whatnot. Okay? Yeah, constant speed, you run constant speed or driving your car constant speed, you do feel the air. Wind blows. Okay? But ether is different in vacuum, out there in space. Ether wind can be only felt when this object is accelerating. Okay? Yeah? Yeah, it's constant velocity meter per second and constant acceleration like meter per second squared, right? And there could be halfway in between like meter per second to the 1.5. Okay, whatever that means. Okay? Yeah, constant half acceleration. Sure, yeah. Mathematically, we can explore that. Let other people do it. I'm not going to. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah, interesting concept. Yeah, mathematics is all about generalization. Okay, so why limit ourselves to natural number like 1, 2, 3, with 1.5 acceleration? Okay, yeah, or 2.5, 3, 3.5. Okay, what? Sure. We'll let future generations figure that out. Okay, yeah, straight out the details. Okay, so We do our job and that's it. Okay, so great breakthrough. Ether wind only happens when the acceleration happens. It does not happen in constant speed. Right? So when there's constant acceleration, yeah, then you feel the ether wind, but not in constant velocity. Okay, so, yeah. Very good. That's the difference between wind and ether. Okay, very good. Okay, okay. Interesting concept. So I think this paper may exceed 50 pages. All right, that's fine. But I do want to talk about special and general relativity disproves in one paper. Why? Because I have to move on. All right. Next paper will be on economics, transactional demand theory. There's a lot to talk about there too. Okay, so yeah, I just want to get this physics paper done and over with, and we move to economics. Hmm? Yeah, so this paper will at least be about 50 pages, which is good. Okay, so maybe about 50 pages, I think. That's about right size. Hmm. Probably it will be a length of short novel, paperback, right? Yeah. Here's this 8.5 by 11 inches, single space, 12 font. Okay, so in paperback, if it is paper is like 50 pages, in paperback, maybe like 100 pages. Short story. Okay, so yeah, sure. Yeah. So, so what is ether? Yeah, it's just hypothetical model to explain, like in analogy to wind. Okay, wind of the air molecules like oxygen, nitrogen. Okay, because out in the space, if I have constant acceleration forward, out in the space, there's no gravitation, no planet, no stars. But if my rocket in spaceship has engine and fuel, yeah, constant acceleration. Okay, I'm speeding up my rocket. Okay, yeah, I feel my body pulling back because accelerating forward. Okay, and that's equivalent to me standing still, my ship standing still, but the rest of the universe is going backward, accelerating backward. So I feel being pushed back by what? That thing that's pushing me back, we call it ether, in analogy to air. Okay? So that's all it is. It's analogy. So it's a kind of like imaginary number in mathematics, complex analysis. Okay? It doesn't exist, but when we imagine it exists, like I, imaginary number, Euler, okay? Yeah, it's useful to us, even if it doesn't exist. Imaginary number, complex analysis, okay? A huge application in electronics, okay? Engineering, electrical engineering, okay? Yeah. So ether is just like imaginary number, no, imaginary number I that doesn't exist. But if we imagine that it exists and put a name on it, it's very useful to us. It's a tool, imaginary tool, okay? Just like imaginary number I in complex analysis. Okay? So I to the mathematics is what ether is to physics. Okay? Yeah, they don't exist. It's just imaginary concept, but once we imagine it and name it, it can be very useful tool for us. Okay? That's what ether is. Hmm? Yeah, I'm gonna write that in this paper. Okay, so we're just brainstorming. Okay, yeah, very productive. Okay. Yeah, I squared is -1, right? But it's very useful concept. Complex analysis. Ether, yeah, it doesn't exist. It's a concept that we imagined. Yeah, it's works of man, right? But it's still useful. So why not? Okay. So, all right, we'll take 5 minutes. Okay. So very good. We're doing physics, mathematics, philosophy, right? Good stuff. All right. Okay, we'll take 5 minutes. Okay. So, uh, okay, so let's start talking about physics. We made enough contribution to physics, okay? Yeah, let's not talk about physics anymore for tonight, okay? So, we made great contribution, okay? Let me write it down, okay, in my cell phone so that actually I write about it if there, alright? Real quick. Then we'll get it behind us. No more physics talk today. Okay, so we made enough contribution to physics tonight. So we'll talk about something else, okay? Okay, it got saved. Okay, so okay, I'm sorry. Let's talk just a little bit about imaginary number, okay? So yeah, it came from Euler, I think. Yeah, trying to solve this equation, okay? Second order. Yeah, the square root, all that stuff. Just yeah. So there's some second order equation that does not have any solution. It only have two imaginary solutions. Okay, so yeah, but you can differentiate between all these solutions that doesn't exist. It's only imaginary. But you can differentiate between several different imaginary solutions of these second order equations, like x squared plus x plus one, something like that. Okay, so okay, yeah. Or x squared plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Yeah, you have two imaginary number solutions, okay? Or 2x squared plus 1 is equal to 0, right? Yeah, so you can differentiate between those non-existent solutions. So imaginary number I is very useful to differentiate between all those different imaginary solutions, okay? And later on it got applied to electronics, electrical engineering, okay, and later on even into this prime number theory. Yeah, this was the German mathematician named Riemann hypothesis, okay, that has to do with Goldbach's conjecture, okay. Yeah, so imaginary number has huge practical application, some theoretical application in prime number theory in mathematics and in physics, electronics, electrical engineering. Okay, yeah, this is a useful tool. Okay, so in analogy to that, yeah, this concept of ether in physics, it can be very useful too for us, even if it, even if it may not even exist. Okay, yeah. I mean, in mathematics, like this, something like, how do you name that? Alpha algebra or something? This, yeah, this unit infinity, right? We kind of corrected the error of Georg Cantor, Herr Cantor, okay? He didn't quite get it right. yeah, back in the days, like 5 months ago from today, we used to do some serious mathematics there, infinity algebra, something like that, right? Yeah, this unit infinity. What did we call it? Did we call it alpha? I don't remember. Okay, it's been such a long time, right? Yeah, because infinity, they are not all the same. Okay, you have unit infinity, two times of that, three times of that, half of that. Okay, they are all different. You can differentiate between different kinds of infinities, right? Okay, yeah. So, for simplicity's sake, if we define ether wind as something that is felt in constant acceleration, the second order, okay? Yeah, we can imagine, mathematically speaking, mathematics about generalization, okay? So, higher order ether, that can be only felt in respective according higher order acceleration. We have second order acceleration. Well, we have acceleration, right? Meter per second squared. Meter per second squared, okay? We have third order acceleration, okay? Like meter per second cube. Fourth order acceleration, yeah, meter per second to the fourth, okay? And so on, okay? So we can imagine the ether system, hierarchy of ether system that correspond to these different orders of acceleration, echelon, okay? Yeah, we can do that. First order is constant velocity is the air molecules, okay? Air wind. Second order, yeah, ether, acceleration, traditional acceleration, okay? Yeah, we can generalize that third, fourth, fifth order, okay? Yeah. Hmm? Yeah. That's homework assignment for the future generation, okay? So why? We made enough contribution to physics and mathematics already, okay? So more than that, we leave it to the future generation. Why? Because we did enough work, right? So we don't have to do everything, okay? Let's leave something to future generation to do homework, okay? We did our job, so let's give future generation their job so that they can do something, okay? Yeah. This is good. This rose hips vodka. It's good. These rose hips, yeah, I picked up in on the bank of this Salmon River in Iqaluitna. Okay, so these wild rose bushes, shrubs, they are very well fed because after salmon spawn, they die, right? So all this protein stuff. So these rose hips are bigger than other rose hips in other regions in Alaska. Okay, because they are well fed by this dead salmon. Okay, along the salmon run river. Yeah, so it's bigger in size, and it has no bugs. Okay, because its immune system is so strong, it expels all the bugs, I guess, and it less federal. Very lucky rose hips, right? Yeah. So enough is physics, right? So yeah, my I checked my task manager, okay, and my disk usage level is like 2%. Before that, like 100%, okay. Yeah, I looked up in the internet, okay, how do we troubleshoot this disk usage in text manager being 100% all the time? Yeah, they gave us solutions, so I followed the steps. What's the step? Yeah, run the command prompt like Microsoft DOS, right? Yeah, type this in, right? Like net.exe space stop space some fetch, super fetch or something like that. Yeah, it's not that necessary. It's more cosmetic kind of issue, but cosmetic functionality, but it caused some problem with Windows sometimes. So yeah, just stop that. Okay. So I did, and then disk usage level way go down. Okay, so yeah, that's great. Yeah. We'll take 5 minutes. Okay. Maybe yeah, we are done with physics for tonight. Okay, so tomorrow is Friday, so if tomorrow at work is not too busy, yeah, I will start writing this down. Okay, type it down in my computer in this physics article. And the day after tomorrow is Saturday. I will start driving in the morning. Okay, why? Because I had a very busy week at work, so I need some strong, positive experience to neutralize all the negative experience I had this week. It's nothing bad, but very stressful and very busy. Okay, so I need some strong distraction, divertisement. Okay, so I'm gonna drive for 7 hours northeast of this place. I'm not gonna give you the name of the town. Okay, I already made hotel reservation. It's all paid off. Okay, so that Saturday morning I'll start driving northeast toward Klondike. Yeah, it's in Canada, but I'm not crossing the border. I'm not going to Canada, but some town, very historic town, not very far away from this Alaskan and Canadian border. Okay, so yeah, the gold rush. Klondike, yeah, that's like in Canada. Okay, gold rush town. Because I was reading this history book about Alaska. Okay, so they talk about Klondike gold rush. But no, I'm not crossing the border to Canada. Okay, but nowadays coronavirus, COVID-19. Okay, they don't allow any crossing border. Okay, so yeah, but yeah, it's a town in Alaska, USA. Okay, so about 7 hours drive from here. Okay, so that's what I'm gonna do Saturday morning. Okay, tomorrow evening, I'm not sure if I'm gonna ride, but if I have enough energy, then I will. Right? But tonight, yeah, it's Thursday. I didn't have enough energy to ride. Okay, so and I wasn't ready to ride either. I think I am now. Okay, we are. I think. Okay. Yeah, we got enough stuff to ride. I think. Hmm? Actually, more than enough stuff to ride. Okay, so yeah, tomorrow if I have enough energy after work, Friday, yeah, I'll ride some. Okay, because I gotta catch up with all these ideas. Okay, that we have. Yeah, I did jot down all these notes. Okay, so all right, let's take 5 minutes. Okay, all right. What time is it? Maybe 7, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Night is still young, right? Yeah. Okay, we'll take 5 minutes. Okay. So yeah, the day after tomorrow, Saturday morning. Yeah, tomorrow is Friday. Today is Thursday. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to this trip because I had very heavy week, busy, long week this week. Okay, so negative copium, we want to neutralize it with positive copium. Okay, so yeah, travel. Okay, when I travel, I always travel by myself. Okay, well, normally, typically, 99% of the time. Some other times in my past, yeah, I travel with my friends. Okay, my family members, and when I had a date or girlfriend, yeah, sometimes. But that's very rare occasion. Okay, 99% of the time I travel by myself. Okay, to have full rest, right? Yeah, yeah. So that's what's gonna happen this weekend. Okay, so yeah, I've never been to that place. Okay, so it's very interior, kind of east, northeast of Alaska. Okay, never been there. No. Okay, but I did reserve a hotel room there. So yeah, I'm kind of excited about that. Because I had a very long week. Okay, so yeah, I need to neutralize this negative copium of this stress, labor, right? Nothing bad. It's all constructive, positive, but it was stressful. Okay, so I need some strong positive copium. So yeah, travel. Hmm? Going to a place that we have never been before. So brand new, right? Holiday, vacation, right? Okay. So we're done with physics for tonight, okay? So let's talk about computer programming, okay? Yeah, I used to be a computer programmer, okay? When I first computer programmed in college, Madison, Wisconsin, I loved it, okay? But after that, like 10 years later, yeah, I mean, some people stick with one profession all their life, right? That's great. We need them, all right? But some of us are not that kind. We are kind of nomadic. We change profession, career. There's some of us are like that. I'm one of them. Nomadic personality. Okay? Yeah, we move from places to places. Okay? Looking for greener pastures, right? Like traveling nomads, traveling salesmen, whatever. Some of us are like that. Okay? Yeah. And President Trump is kind of like that too. He was in business. Okay, now he's in politics, right? And he was kind of like temporarily promiscuous and also spatially promiscuous too. Okay, yeah, he has married different ladies. Okay, one after another. I'm kind of like that too. Okay, so yeah, that's why I don't want to get married. Okay, uh, of course I'm not that successful in dating scene. Of course, okay, the way I am. Yeah, I don't get that many dates. Okay, nowadays not at all. Okay. When I used to online dating, okay, I used to write down in my profile dating website profile. Oh, I'm socially promiscuous, but romantically monogamous. Yeah, I'm socially promiscuous and romantically monogamous. Because that's true. Because I don't date. I don't two time. Okay. Yeah, I just date one person at a time. Okay. I do have female friends, several. Okay, that I talk to, but they're friends. Okay, they're not my dates. No, many of them are married with children, and they are my family friends. Okay, I know their husbands, their children, grandchildren. Okay, it's just friendship. Okay, yeah. But do I have single female friends? Yes, I do. I don't fool around. Okay, yeah, just friends. Okay. Some of my friends are female friends are married. Some of them are single. We're just friends. Okay, we just socialize. That's it. Okay. Yeah. No problem there. Okay. So yeah. So when it comes to computer programming, yeah, I did that for more than a decade. All right, then because I'm nomadic personality. All right, so there are people who stick with one profession all their life. That's great. We need them. Okay, but there are some other kinds of people who change career track, different professions. Okay, we need them too. Okay, I happen to be that nomadic personality, traveling salesman. Okay, yeah, kind of short attention span, kind of who get easily bored, right? Yeah, we need both kinds. Okay, yeah, professionally monogamous, professionally promiscuous. Okay, yeah, we are kind of like cross pollinators. Okay, metaphysically speaking, yeah, I do physics, mathematics, philosophy. Okay, politics, religion, right? Cross pollination. Okay, so and this paper, physics paper I'm writing, yeah, it's very much metaphysically promiscuous. There's politics in there, philosophy, religion, mathematics, physics. Okay, yeah. So yeah, we serve some good function, essential functions. Okay, metaphysically nomadic, metaphysically promiscuous people. I'm just one of them. Okay. Yeah, like erudite, like this polymath, right? Polyglot, right? Yeah. Some of us are like that. Okay. Hmm. So when it comes to computer programming, yeah, I did that for like 15 years. Okay. After that, I had enough, so I went to law school. Okay, so the year I went to law school was like 2013. Now it's 2020. So I've been studying law for 7 years, like 7 years each. Okay, I guess that's why I one of the reasons why I ran for local election. Okay, yeah, I've been studying the law like 7 years because I went to law school in 2013. But even before I went to law school, I did study law. So it's been about 10 years of studying the law. Okay, so one of the reasons I ran for political office, local election, is that yeah, I kind of had enough of the studying the law. Okay, how about something new like politics? Okay, so, yeah. So it's been 10 years since I studied the law. Okay, jurisprudence. So yeah, I'm kind of getting this 10 years each. Okay, it's time to move on. All right. So nowadays I'm writing these articles that has nothing to do with this jurisprudence law. Okay, I'm writing natural law, writing about natural law, physics, mathematics, metaphysical law like mathematics, physics. Okay, 10 years each, right? Because I'm a nomadic personality, right? Yeah, I have to move from place to a different place. Okay, back in the days, I studied acting, filmmaking, screenwriting. Okay, after like 5 years of doing that, yeah, it was time to move on. So let's try something new. Why not join the U.S. Army? And I did. Okay, so I was in the U.S. Army for 4 years. After that, I had enough. Okay, then I went to law school. Okay, yeah, nomadic personality. Okay, so at the beginning, when I first studied computer science, computer programming, I loved it. But after 15 years, yeah, I'd rather to try something different because this world has so many different things to learn. Okay, let's learn something different. Yeah, how about law? Okay, yeah. So I started studying for law school. Okay, and after 10 years, there, yeah, at first, yeah, law, jurisprudence, yeah, it was very exciting. But after 10 years, it's kind of getting old. Okay, So jumped into politics. Okay. When was that? So it's year 2020 now. 2 years ago. Okay. So I've been in politics 2 years. Okay. So I'm kind of still new. Okay. So I keep trying. So, but after 10 years being in politics, probably I get fed up with that. Okay. So maybe I go kind of circular fashion. Maybe I go back to entertainment industry or science. Okay. Or jurisprudence, law, or computer programming, okay? Whatever. Or acting, filmmaking, whatever. Right? Yeah. Nomadic personality, like reincarnation. You're born as a butterfly, next life you're born as a cow, ox, next life you're born as a bear, Alaskan moose, lynx, cat, dog, whatever. Yeah. Reincarnation. Yeah. Yeah. That's one way to interpret that reincarnation concept in this humanology brand. Okay, so. Yeah, we'll take 5 minutes break, okay? And then I'm cooking my dinner, okay? So, but night is still young. It's not 9 o'clock yet. It's 8:45, something like that. Okay, so happy Thursday, okay? Okay, we'll take 5 minutes break. All right. Okay. Yeah, I'm kind of drunk, but I can walk straight. No problem. All right. Okay, we are back. So yeah, there are two kinds of people. Yeah, there can be many categorization of people, right? But one possibility is to this binary categorization of people. People who are monogamous and people who are promiscuous, metaphysically speaking. Look, I'm alone, okay? I don't have any date, alright? But metaphysically speaking, yeah, I dabble into different disciplines of in academia. Interdisciplinary, like cross pollination. I do just a little bit of physics, little bit of mathematics, little bit of linguistics, little bit of politics, okay, philosophy. Yeah, I mean, there are people who are dedicated to one profession, or okay, yeah, like mathematics, physics, philosophy. They dedicate their lifetime in this one discipline, right? But then there are other kinds of people like me, okay, interdisciplinary, right? Yeah, we do dabble into. We're kind of shallow people, like shallow, but we are nomadic. We know just a little bit about everything, and we have some good function in this world. Okay, yeah. Kind of like honeybee, cross pollination, kinda. Okay, social butterfly, metaphysically speaking. Okay, yeah. There's some call for us, need for us. Okay, we do need this metaphysically monogamous people who dedicate their lifetime in this single profession. We need them, experts, specialists. Then there's also need for generalists. Okay? Yeah, who's good at seeing the big picture of things, seeing the forest as opposed to one tree. Okay? Yeah, specialist, generalist, it's like yin and yang of the universe, plus and minus. Because in humanology, we like this binary categorization, binary fission, Boolean algebra, okay, true or false, yin and yang, night and day, winter and summer, okay. Yeah, we like this dualism concept in humanology, okay. So, yeah, it's a diversity, complementation, and checks and balances between two types of personalities, okay. It's all good, okay. Yeah, we complement each other, right? Scratch each other's backs, kinda. Yeah, like man and woman, day and night, right? Light and darkness, and winter, summer, cold and hot, right? I and the rest of the universe, like set A and outside of set A in Venn diagram, A complement. Okay? Yeah, plus one, minus one, yin and yang. Yeah, in humanology, yeah, the dualism construction play a huge role. Okay, so we like dualism. Okay, because it's very simple. Okay. Okay. Yeah, my dinner is cooking in the microwave. How do I start cooking my dinner? I have this plastic jar. Put in the water. I microwave and boil the water. Okay. And after water is boiled, yeah, I put some vegetables and whatever. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have some Korean ramen noodle. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Some chopped onions and seaweed and good stuff. Yeah. So tomorrow I have to go to Walmart. Okay. I gotta buy some mushrooms. I love mushrooms. Oh. Let me put in my calendar. Yeah, buy beer, mushroom, and whatnot. Yeah. What else? Have you ever asked this question, why do people want to travel? If you haven't, I'm asking you now. I give you 1 minute to answer that. Why do people want to travel? Why do you want to travel sometimes? I mean, it's expensive. Yeah, you drive your car or you take airplane or take a ship, right? You go to faraway places to travel. So why do people want that? Why do we want that? I give you 1 minute to think about it and answer this question. Okay. Multiple answers. Yeah, give it all. Okay. Yeah, multiple answers. It doesn't have to be one answer. Okay. Yeah, give me like 5 answers. Okay. Why do people want to travel? Spending all this money. Perhaps. Okay. I give you 1 more minute. Okay. So yeah. Then we compare our answers. Okay. Give me 5 reasons why people travel. Okay. Maybe I will sing your song. Okay. Yeah. I give you like 3 more minutes. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Keep thinking. Keep answering. Yeah. Give me 5 reasons why people travel. Okay. While you are thinking that and answering the question, give me 5 reasons why people travel. Okay. I sing you this song. Okay. Very self-contradictory. Very interesting. Very ironic. Okay. I'm gonna sing you this song, okay, while you are answering this question. Give me 5 reasons why they explain this human behavior, why people want to travel every once in a while, okay? While you are answering this question, give me 5 reasons, okay? And I'm gonna sing you this song. How ironic. Oh, I'm gonna enjoy this. Do you know what song I'm gonna sing now? Maybe some of you do know. Okay, so hint irony, alright? I asked you this question. Give me 5 reasons, 5 answers why people want to travel, to go away, to get away, right? And I'm gonna sing you a song in a minute. That's kind of like mirror image, contradiction of that. Probably some of you know this song that I'm gonna sing. Okay? I give you a minute to take a guess. Okay? Question after question. I'm sorry. You don't have to answer it. Okay? It's just a suggestion. If you want to answer it, yeah, take a guess. Okay? Yeah. We're just enjoying our times on Thursday night. Okay? Yeah. Blueberry vodka in blue bottle. Great. Toilet paper that Alaskan style. Alright, let me start singing, okay? Give me one reason to stay here, and I turn right back around. Give me one reason to stay here, and I turn right back around. Said I don't want to leave you lonely. You gotta make me change my mind. Baby, I got your number. Oh, I know that you got mine. You know that I called you too many times. You can call me, baby, you can call me anytime. You gotta call me. Yeah, it's what Trace Chapman, African American female, right? And I was very disappointed that she started to subscribe to this LGBT ideology. Okay, there was a disappointment. Okay, but yeah, this some females like tomboy style, right? Can walk and talk like a boy. Okay, yeah, some females tomboy style people, females, no matter what race they are. Okay, yeah, tomboy style. Yeah, those kind of females can be very charismatic. Okay, but if they subscribe to LGBT ideology, I have to cancel them. Okay, because they're going along the mainstream, majoritarian, being part of the big mainstream majoritarian, big power. Okay, that's not charismatic, right? But some tomboy style females, okay, they kind of walk and talk like a boy. Okay, they can be very charismatic. I know. Okay, but if they subscribe to LGBT ideology, I have to cancel them. Okay, because they're part of this big thing, mainstream majoritarian of the day. That's not charisma. Charisma. That's not leadership. That's leadership. Like sheep people, sheeple. Okay, they're just going along the majoritarian. They're weak. They're not leadership material. They're sheep people, sheeple. They're leaders, not leaders. Okay, so once they subscribe to LGBT ideology, I cancel them. Okay, so I don't want to. Miss Trace Chapman. Okay, I think she yielded to this LGBT ideology. Sadly, some sort disappointment. Okay, because I really like this song. Okay, but she subscribed to LGBT ideology. Yeah, I have to cancel her. Okay, okay. So what was the question? 5 reasons why people travel, people go away. Yeah, I mean, let's compare the answers. Your 5 reasons and my 5 reasons. Okay, why you want to travel, why you think people want to travel, and why I want to travel. 5 reasons we'll compare. Okay, but we'll take 5 minutes break. Okay, so yeah. I need some vocal rest. I just sang your song. It's a wonderful song. Okay, yeah, but she turned to this mainstream majoritarian ideology, so she's not charismatic anymore. Okay, she's like, yeah, like kind of sellout, like President Trump, President Obama. Okay, all this, like Lady Gaga, like Elton John. Okay, sellouts, Hollywood, Washington D.C. Okay, we have to cancel them. Okay, yeah, ex Vice President Joe Biden, all sellouts, right? Going along the majoritarian mainstream, okay? Okay, we're back. Thank you for the patience. All right. So, I was listening to this Biggie Adair, this fantastic American pianist, jazz pianist in Eastern Coast, I think. Okay, so yeah, I'm a huge fan. But yeah, so Miss Biggie Adair Christmas song. Okay. Yeah, but I didn't like this particular Christmas song, like Santa Baby. Okay, that's like I don't like that song, Santa Baby. Okay, because hey, we are parents, right? I have mine, right? When it comes to Christmas season, okay. Yeah, Santa Claus, they are our parents, right? Yeah. So Santa Baby, when they sing that, that's like kind of incestuous connotation, okay? Incestuous, okay? I don't like that song, okay? So I mean, it's about childhood, this wonderful Christmas Day, Christmas Eve, or December 25th, yeah, the allegedly the birthday of Mr. Jesus Christ, right? So, but they later on, some people kind of corrupted that Christmas tradition with this sex, okay, Santa Baby. And I don't like that song, okay? That's kind of incestuous, okay? I mean, because when we think about Santa Claus, kind of grandfatherly figure, and the people who give us Christmas gift, they are our parents, okay? So this person thinking about Santa Claus as some kind of date or one night stand, that's very incestuous, okay? Because when we think about Santa Claus, they are our parents, right? So yeah, I don't like the Santa Baby song. I, 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 I hate that song. I'm sorry. Okay, Santa Baby. I hate that song. I don't think it's a good song. I hate the lyrics. I hate the melody. Okay, I hate this incestuous connotation. I hate that song, Santa Baby. Okay, I hate that song. I'm sorry. Right? I hate that song, Santa Baby song. Okay, the worst Christmas carol ever. Very incestuous. Okay, like party spoiler, killjoy kind of thing. I hate that song, Santa Baby. Okay. If I ever become the dictator of the United States, I will illegalize that song, right? If people still sing that song, I'm not gonna have them arrested, right? I just block my ears. No, no, I'm not gonna listen to that stupid song. Okay, Santa Baby, incestuous. No, I hate the melodies, lyrics, Santa Baby, and no, I'm not gonna listen to it. But I respect your freedom of expression. Okay, you wanna sing it? I'm not gonna have you arrested, even if I become the dictator of the United States, the Mr. Kim Jong Un of the United States. Okay, I'm not gonna have you arrested. Okay, you wanna sing that Santa Baby song? Yeah, go ahead and sing it. I'll just switch the channel or block my ears. No, no, I hate that song. As you can see, I'm drunk. Okay, yeah. But I do hate that song. Okay, Santa Baby, horrible. I also hate another Christmas carol. It's cold outside. Oh yeah, it's cold outside. Yeah, you stay here. Again, too much sex. Too much sexuality in that Christmas carol, okay? Oh, it's cold outside. Yeah, so yeah, stay with me in this Christmas day. Why sex in this holy day of Jesus Christ's birthday? Alright, yeah, all this sexual connotation, Santa Baby, or it's too cold outside. I hate those Christmas carols imbuing and corrupting this Christmas day, Mr. Son of God, Jesus Christ is. Jesus Christ's birthday, okay? Corrupting with all this sexual connotation. I hate those two songs. Santa Baby and It's Too Cold Outside, okay? I hate those two Christmas carols. I really hate it. Christmas allegedly Mr. Jesus Christ, Son of God's birthday, and they're corrupting that with all this sex, this carnal desire, animalistic appetite kind of. So I hate that those two songs, Santa Baby and It's Too Cold Outside. Okay, yeah, they're heterosexual, but that's incestuous and corrupting the Son of God, Mr. Jesus Christ's birthday, Christmas Day, the Christ Day. Okay, I hate those two songs. Okay, Christmas carols. I really hate it. To me, they are abomination and abhorrence. Okay, but if I ever become the United States president, I'm not gonna ban it. Okay, I will just switch the channel and block my ears because I hate those two songs. Right? I really do. Okay, it's just horrible. Okay, we're still far away from Christmas. It's September. Okay, late September today. As of speaking, okay, I'm drunk. So what? Right? I'm at home. Yeah, it's like 9 o'clock right now, 9 p.m. Okay, so I eat my dinner, go to bed, and sleep. Tomorrow, Friday, I have to get back to work. Right? Yeah, it's very rhapsodic. Let me write that down, okay? Because this physics paper, the final chapter 7 or chapter 10, whatever, yeah, it will be very rhapsodic and ideological, activistic. Yeah, let me write it down, okay? Yeah, I'm getting sleepy, hungry. Relativity rhapsody. Yeah, relativistic rhapsody. Activism. Good enough. Okay. Yeah, today's Thursday, okay? It's not Friday, so I cannot quite elongate this episode very long, okay? Because if it's Friday, yeah, tomorrow's Friday, so we're gonna have some serious fun, okay? Friday, tomorrow, okay? We can do martial arts and dancing, singing, extended episodes of this humanology series, no problem, okay? But for tonight, because it's Thursday night, tomorrow is Friday, I have to get back to work, alright? Yeah, so we're gonna have to wrap it up for tonight, okay? Okay. Thank you, everybody. God bless you. Thank you.